In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC in Zendesk, managing your support tickets effectively and ensuring the right people are informed while maintaining privacy can be challenging. But with the use of CC and followers in Zendesk, you'll be able to streamline communication smoothly and confidently. Let's start with CC, which stands for Carbon Copy. This feature allows you to include visible recipients on your emails. When you add someone as a CC in a ticket, this person gets all updates to that ticket without being actively involved in the conversation. It's an excellent way to keep stakeholders informed without overwhelming them with direct involvement in the ticket's resolution process. To add a CC in a Zendesk ticket, simply navigate to the ticket you wish to update. You'll find an option on the right side of your screen labeled CC Field. Click on it and enter the email address of the person you want to include. Remember, these individuals will be visible to all parties involved in the conversation, so ensure their inclusion is appropriate for the situation. Now, let's talk about using followers, an option exclusive to agents within Zendesk. This feature is perfect for those who need to keep tabs on progress without being part of the visible communications. When you add an agent as a follower on a ticket, they can silently monitor the entire ticket journey, receiving all updates and changes made. This can be particularly useful for supervisors or managers who wish to oversee interactions for quality assurance or training purposes. To add a follower, open the ticket you wish to modify. Look for the Followers field, typically located beneath the CC field. Enter the name of the agent you'd like to follow the ticket. Unlike CC recipients, followers remain unseen to end users, which can help maintain a clean and straightforward communication channel with your customers. It's important to understand when to use each option effectively. Think of CC as your go-to for involving external parties or internal stakeholders who might need to provide input at some point. Followers, on the other hand, are best for internal monitoring, allowing agents to track the ticket progress without ending up in the customer-facing narrative. Balancing these features will streamline your support process, ensuring clarity in communication while maintaining the required oversight. To wrap things up, by incorporating both CC and followers in your Zendesk workflow, you're equipping your support team with the tools needed for efficient communication and oversight. It not only enhances your support operations, but can significantly improve customer satisfaction by ensuring they receive well-managed, seamless service experiences. With these steps, I hope you can easily navigate Zendesk's features to suit your business needs and support strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.